Angie here for the Sunset Auto family. And a little more than a decade ago, the Sunset Auto family changed the auto industry in the Pacific Northwest forever with the advent of Warranty Protection for Life, a limited powertrain warranty honored at any ASE certified repair facility in the United States and Canada for as long as you own the vehicle. It's included with every single qualifying new and used vehicle in Sunset's vast inventory. Well, this caused quite a stir. First, Sunset's competitors told anyone who would listen that it was a scam, a marketing ploy, that it wasn't real. Well, that didn't work. More and more people were going to Sunset for this protection for their next vehicle. Sunset was growing really fast because of this and adding dealerships all over the South Sound. So, many dealerships decided to try their own version of this program. That was a disaster. The programs didn't compare, and they just couldn't pencil the expense with the car deal. These dealerships couldn't comprehend that this was not an expense tied to a car deal, rather an investment in the customer. Sunset is pretty open about warranty protection for life and their oil changes for life being all about customer retention. It's really no secret. Sunset wants to take care of all of your automobile needs forever. Well, at the time we produced this little video, Warranty Protection for Life has already paid out over $6 million in claims protecting Sunset customers, and that number is growing every day. I'm pretty sure those people are Sunset customers for life now. Here's a question. Why would anyone drive a vehicle without this protection and peace of mind? It just makes no sense, does it? Be sure to get all the details at any Sunset Auto family dealership or their websites. The closer you look, the better you'll like this Sunset customer benefit. You know what they say, you just get more at Sunset, like warranty protection for life, and people do like that. Stop by Sunset today and tell them your gal Angie sent you.